These are the dogs available for adoption at Pinellas County Animal Services 30 minutes before closing. I want to share with you that this Friday we're open from 9 to 9. From 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. we're going to have Yappy Hour. Come and join us. There is no adoption fee on our dogs and cats. Dogs and cats that are 4 months old or less, there's a $25 adoption fee. And we will do the same thing on Saturday, no adoption fees. We are busting at the seams. We are asking for community support to come and please adopt the dogs from Pinellas County Animal Services. They're up to date on all their shots. They're heartworm tested, they're dewormed, they're on Revolution, they're fixed. You get a chip, you get a license. They're ready to be in your family. I'm starting with Precious in 101. She is a 45-pound girl. Claudine's been here way too long. I'm hoping that this weekend it's your weekend, girl. No, your weekend, boy. He is 50 pounds, he's a year and a half. In kennel 104 is Pretty. Pretty is a 40-pound female, 4 years old. In kennel 105 is Honey, good with kids, likes to ride in the car. She's 5 years old, has been here since 6/23. In kennel 106 is Goldie. Welcome back from isolation, Goldie, a year old, 45 pounds. Jed is our handsome man, 67 pounds, 3 years old. Trina is in kennel 108. She's 5.5 years old. She's 45 pounds. This handsome girl is Mira. She's been here since 7/1. She's a hound mix, 55 pounds. She's a year and a half, kind of shy, but up to date on all her shots, heartworm negative, dewormed on Revolution. We say no kids. She'll knock them down for sure. Turning the corner, we have Wilma, who's been here since 7/2, 50-pound, 4-year-old girl. In 111's empty. In 112, we have Oreo. That sounds really good. An Oreo cookie. 2 years old, he is 60 pounds. In kennel 113, another handsome man. This is Earl. Earl is 65 pounds, he's 2 years old. Lovey. He's been here since 6/28, 2 years old. She's 33 pounds. In kennel 115 is Bogart. Bogart is a male, 50 pounds, 4 years old. In kennel 116, with the cone of shame, is, looks like Baby. Baby is 65 pounds, new to adoptions, and a year and a half old. Dorothy. She's still here waiting for Oz to come and rescue her. 3 years old, 48 pounds. She's in 117. Flo is in 118. Flo is 4 years old, 42 pounds. In 119 is Mr. 2.5 years, 60 pounds. In kennel 120 is Grace. Grace is 3 years old, 58 pounds. This is Chance, a year and a half. Female, 55 pounds. Xena is 9 months. She's a 60-pound boxer pit mix. In 122. In 123, an absolutely beautiful Grendel. Captain is a year old at 43 pounds. Penelope, she's been here a long time also, 620. She is a year and a half old, 50 pounds. Welcome to the adoption floor. This is Blackie. Blackie's a year old, 41 pounds. Hi, baby. Somebody did a lousy job cutting off your ears. But you're safe here. You're going to get adopted this weekend. Indy's been here since 6/19. She is 3 years old, 45 pounds. Bonnie's been here since 6/28, a year old, 40 pounds. I'm turning the corner. We're full up in adoptions. This is Duke in 128, 40 pounds. Peanut, oh, you're happy to see me with your tail going. 2 years, 45 pounds. In kennel 130 is Huey, a year old, 46 pounds. In kennel 133 is Mandy, a year and a half. She was an owner turned in. She's been here since 6/25. Oh, somebody cut your ears off too. Why do people do that? Oh, this is Rose. Rose is a year old. We have a Shih Tzu Romeo, 5 years old, 11 pounds, and 133. The volunteers just walked in, so they know that somebody's going for a walk. This is Lenny, 2 years old, 50 pounds, and 134. This is Oliver, 3 years old, 51 pounds, and 135. And Jake is 40 pounds, 8 months old, in 136. So please, come to Pinellas County Animal Services and adopt your next pet. Remember, we have free adoptions this weekend, Friday night from 6 to 9, and we have free adoptions on Saturday. How can you not adopt this dog? How can you not resist that face? Please, we're asking for community support, and we'll see you all this weekend. Thank you.